Hi, I'm Renee. I was born and raised in San Francisco, attended SFUSD schools, and now an educator and parent in the city. I'm voting no on the school board recall because it is a waste of precious resources that could be going to meet the needs of our students during this, another pandemic year. Rather than waiting for 3 board members to face re-election later in the year, billionaires are funding this recall in order to subvert democracy and privatize our schools. If the 3 board members are recalled, Mayor London Breed gets one step closer to be able to appoint her own school board rather than listen to voters. This is a danger to democracy, and we are stuck with the bill. For the sake of our children, our schools, and our city, I hope you will join me in voting no on the school board recall on or before February 15th.